In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix failed setup error while trying to set up devices on Amazon Alexa app. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option general. Click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Amazon Alexa and launch it. Now click on offload app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option app info, go to storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, head back, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check if you are connected to any VPN proxy service or a security application that could interfere with the setup process. If a VPN or proxy is enabled, temporarily disable it and try again. If you are still unable to set up your Alexa device through the app, try accessing your Amazon account from the official Amazon Alexa website using a web browser. Sign in with your Amazon account and see if you can continue the setup from there. If your browser automatically redirects you to the Alexa app, you may need to temporarily uninstall the app so you can use the web version instead. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, check for the Amazon service status. Head over to the website Down Detector, search for Amazon. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.